There is a horrible burnt plastic smell coming from my Kenmore refrigerator. It smells just like my old fridge when the compressor relay burnt out. The repairman told me there is nothing wrong with the appliance, that the drip pan needed cleaning. Could such a horrible burning plastic smell be coming from a dirty drip pan?
Can you guesstimate how old your Kenmore is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It's about 1.5 years old. Kenmore 76393 10.7 shoe. Featuring top freezer refrigerator.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I had a repairman come in today.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No. Not that I can think of.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. Typically, the burner smell comes from the overload relay shorting out, as you mentioned. The drain pan can't create a burning plastic smell, but it can create other bad odors. That being said, if the odor is coming from outside the refrigerator/freezer, then it really sounds like the overload relay or possibly the fan motor next to the motor might be starting to go out. If the odor is coming from inside the unit and it's much stronger when you open the door, then most likely the door was left open causing the light to stay on, or the defrost thermostat has failed and the unit is sticking in defrost too long. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
There is no odor inside the fridge. It is a horrible thick burnt plastic smell that was coming from outside the fridge. My whole house smells like it now, and I could smell it myself when I came to work today. The repairman said the relay switch is fine, that they are made much better than in the old models. What do I do? I can't tolerate the horrible smell.
All you can do is call out a different technician. The problem is that if it doesn't act up when the technician is there, he may not be able to see what is causing the problem, but you can ask him to replace the overload relay regardless, since that's really about the only thing that can make a plastic burning smell outside the refrigerator.
Okay. He didn't have the part. I just ordered one from Sears Direct, and will call someone to replace it.
Alright, good luck. I'm sorry to hear you're having problems on such a new unit already. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.